Hey guys, it's Garrett with RPM Diecast, and today we're shooting two premium cars from a set, the Nissan GTR Bnrr34 Skyline and the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. There's from this set here. These are the only two cars in this set, in my opinion, that are good. The rest are going to be peg warmers. Yeah, they both got the Rear Rider 5-spoke mag wheels. This one just got a silver around the rims, and this one's just straight black. But yeah, let's go crack these open, and then we will come back after. That was the Nissan Skyline Bnrr34 and the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3 in that set. Now again, it's from this set. Now I think the Dumb and Dumber car actually looks pretty cool. I might grab that one, just it's kind of funny. But there's the MTV van and the Dumb and Dumber and the Beavis and Butthead car. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.